Well, today I am going to teach you how to play the second part of the song Yesterday for the second guitar. Okay, that song starts, the second part starts here in the 6th string, 2nd fret, right here. Okay, so you are going to be playing in the strings number 6, number 4, and number 2. Okay, and then when you move here, you move to the 5th string, 2nd fret, and then the 4th string, 1st fret, and the 2nd string open. So that measure would be like this. The rhythm is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then in here you just play melody. 0 on the 3rd string, 2nd fret on the same string, 0 on the 2nd string, then go back to the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and 0. It would have to be like this. And then you do a chord, A minor chord. This is the way you do it. 0 on the 5th string, 2 and 2 on the 4th and on the 3rd string, and then finger number 1 on the 2nd string. Move towards the next chord, which is this one in here, D major chord, 0, 2, and 3. And then the G major chord, you just put the 3rd finger and you do this. So I will play this in here. As you can see, this motif in here, or riff, you play it twice. Look, the first measure in here repeats over here as well. This second measure repeats in here. These chords repeat here. And this chord in here, the G major chord, is this one in here. The only thing that is different is that then you add the 2nd string open, then the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then open the 3rd string. That's the only thing that is different in there. So I will play it. Okay, so far so good. Now the next part that you need to play is going back to the beginning, right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, which you already did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, this part in here, you have to repeat. So you go back to these 2 dots in here and you repeat it all. And after you finish doing that, then you do the last 2 measures, which are gonna be 2, a little bit slower down, and that's it. It's very simple, guys. Okay, so have a nice one.